Introducing Writing Time. What color do you like? Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share your ideas. We can share our ideas with pictures, and we can share our ideas with words. What color do you like? Red is a ladybug, a cherry, a rose. Red is an apple, a heart, or Santa's clothes. Red is a strawberry, a raspberry so sweet. Red is a fire truck rolling down the street. Is red the color that you like, or is there another, bolder and bright? Orange is a goldfish, a carrot, or a pumpkin so round. Orange is a striped tiger laying on the ground. Orange is a clownfish, or autumn leaves that fall. Orange is a basketball bouncing down the hall. Is orange the color that you like, or is there another that brings delight? Yellow is a lemon, a banana so sweet. Yellow is a rubber duck that's clean and neat. Yellow is a baby chick, or a pineapple slice. Yellow is a sunflower that's sunny and nice. Is yellow the color that you enjoy, or is there another? Oh my, oh boy. Green is a leaf, a turtle, or a jumping frog. Green is a clover, an apple, or moss on a log. Green is a lime, an avocado, or two pears. Green is a caterpillar, or a lizard that stares. Is green the color that you like to see, or is there another for you and me? Blue is a blueberry, the ocean, or the sky. Blue is a bluebird soaring up high. Blue is a sapphire, a whale, or jeans so neat. Blue is the mailbox right down the street. Is blue the color that you prefer, or is there another you'd like, my sir? Purple is a grape, a plum, or a fig on a tree. Purple is an octopus hiding from me. Purple is a berry, or a jellyfish in the sea. Purple is a flower that grows happily. Is purple the color that you will choose, or is there another you love to use? Now it's your time to draw. It's your time to write. Which color will you choose? Which one brings delight? Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.